Alright, so today we're going to be using Microsoft Excel for part 2 of our data collection project. And part 1 we did earlier in class today, where we separated into males and females, and we took data from both of these sets in whichever categories we wanted as groups. Some of you chose shoes, some of you chose colors. I'm going to do my example with different fast food places. So to create this chart, we're going to leave the first one empty, and we're going to start on the second one and insert the different categories that you had. McDonald's, oops, there we go, Subway, and Chick-fil-A. Okay, and then these two columns right here are going to be the different data for males and females collected. So let's start with males. And we have 12%, 20%, 37%, 11, and 20. And then over on the female side, we found that it was 15% preferred Taco Bell, 10% for Wendy's, 7%, 53, and 15. Now to turn this into a chart, it's very, very simple. We're just going to highlight all of the information that we have and go to Insert right here. Okay, and charts are right over here. All we're going to be focusing on today are the column charts and the bar charts. Disregard the pie charts and everything else down here. So go ahead, so you click on the whichever one you want, and make sure that you use one of these three, not stacked on top of each other. I don't want to see this. I want to see the data right next to each other. It's much easier to read. So I'm going to choose this one, and here we have our chart. Make sure that you change your chart title to whatever your group had collected for data. So mine was fast food preferences. All right, and here's our chart. Now, as you can see up here, you can change the format of it to whatever looks best to you, whatever you want to do. I don't care what it is, as long as I can clearly see the percentages. Okay, now let's say halfway through you decide that you want a bar chart instead. Well, all you have to do to change that is right-click and go to Change Chart Type and Bar Chart right here. Now again, these ones also have the data stacked on top of each other. I don't want to see that, just side by side. So you can do this one as well. And that is how you make a chart using Excel.